How to join the 1xBet affiliate program. First of all, open your browser and in the search bar, type 1xBet affiliate and then hit enter. From the search results, go to the link that says 1x.partners. Once the page loads, tap on Become a Partner to open the affiliate registration page. Next, you will see a sign-up form where you need to enter your personal details such as your name, email address, phone number, and preferred payment method. Make sure you fill everything carefully to avoid any issues later. After filling out the form, read the terms and conditions thoroughly. This is important to understand how the program works, the commission structure, and the payout schedule. Once you agree, submit your application. Once your application is accepted, you will get access to the affiliate dashboard. Here you can find your unique referral links, banners, and promotional tools that you can use to share and promote 1xBet on your website, social media, or other platforms. Make sure to track your earnings regularly from the dashboard. The affiliate program offers attractive commissions, so promoting effectively can bring you good income. And that's it. Now you know how to join the 1xBet affiliate program. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.